So this is the TEMU purchase Ring doorbell. So this is just gonna be a doorbell, and for it to work, you would have to download the TUYA app in your phone, and that's what it does. When someone is at your door, and you only will know that they're there if they actually push the button. If they just stand up there, it's not motion censored. So as soon as they click on it, there is an included USB doorbell sound little box that you will put into your computer or PC or any USB slot. And then as soon as that's clicked, you will definitely see who's outside. So for the app, you make sure you download the TUYA app, TUYA. And this is just a quick review of how the app works and how it's installed. You will have to make sure you check your doorbell and charge it so it works. So again, the app is TUYA app. You are gonna set it up to your phone, so you'll have access to when the doorbell button is pressed or pushed. That's the only time you will see who's outside. You have the option to subscribe to the TUYA app if you want more options, features, and more options for your doorbell. So that's the app. And again, there is that little doorbell sound box that you connect to your PC. And here's the app. This is just a quick connect. Basically, you are just connecting both your phone and the doorbell in one network. You can use it for free, but again, no other features other than when the doorbell is pushed outside. That's the only way, that's the only time you can access the video. You can open the app when someone is outside and presses the doorbell, you'll hear it, and then you'll open your phone app, and that's when you can see who's outside. That's just for the free feature. More options to do more advanced feature, you'd have to subscribe. Once you've downloaded the app, you can go over it and see what you want to add, what features you want to add, and that's it.